Hi, good day. M6217. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Michelle Nyangar. I am 40 years old from Philippines. I have a living partner with the two kids. My eldest is 11 years old and my youngest is 7 years old. I hold an associate degree in hotel and restaurant management. I have a 2 years experience as a domestic helper in UAE. My roles is taking care of the children, cooking, marketing, tutoring, and pet care, and household chores. And
Okay, another household chores.
yes,
And you are also do take care of
yes,
pet, right?
yes.
What kind of pets do you take care?
Two cats and one dog.
Two cats and one dogs. So I saw in your biodata that you don't have experience taking care of a newborn baby, right?
Yes,
So my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
yes,
Okay. Do you have or do you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
yes.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, I check the diaper, maybe is full, or and then check maybe the temperature also because maybe has not feeling well, or maybe is check the tummy maybe is hungry, and also the diaper check. And
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did everything that you could, what will you do?
I call the attention of the parents that the baby is not stop crying also.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because of the high salary and also the law of the Hong Kong is fair for the domestic helper.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong as long as my employer wants me.
So it is okay to you to extended your contract.
Yes,
Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
yes.
Okay, what kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
Um, Supposedly I cook with via YouTube and also cooking and read the cookbook.
Okay, what kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
Like soup noodles
Okay.
and stir fry vegetables also the fish stir fry
What kind of fish?
slim fish
Is sling or
steamed
steam?
fish.
Okay, steam fish.
Yes,
Okay, so you know how to prepare Chinese food because you
yes,
are watching on YouTube. You have
yes,
experience to cook it on your home.
yes,
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
yes,
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
yes,
How about sharing room with kids?
yes,
Cutting your hair into short.
yes, it's okay.
If your employers have a prior commitment on Sunday or in a holiday, it is okay to you to work.
Yes, yes,
It is okay to you to taking care of pets.
yes, I have already taken
Ah,
care of it.
okay. How about taking care of elderly?
Yes, it's okay.
If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language.
Yes, I'm willing to learn.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me. um, I am I am a hardworking, self-motivated, multitasker, and quick learner. And also, I am honest and I follow the rules of your house and also of your family. I respect with your family.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss
That's all. Thank you.
Michelle.
Thank you for the opportunity, for the giving me chance to the opportunity to introduce myself to you. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much.